Morning children, today we will do our next topic, training. Training constitutes a basic concept in human resource development. It is concerned with developing a particular skill to a desired standard by instruction and practice. Now sports training is a process of preparation for a sports performance actually. So sports training is very important in sports and field. Need of sports training. It is allows the body to gradually build up strength and endurance, improve skill level and build motivation, ambition and confidence. Training also allows athletes to gain more knowledge of their sport as well as enabling them to learn about the importance of having a healthy mind and body. Next is concept of sports training. The first period is preparatory period is there. It is preceded by organizational and technical planning and by the projection of preliminary estimates. The site is assigned and the funds granted. There are more three phases over there in this period. In first phase, the players develop their general abilities relating to physical fitness. In second phase, the player develops a specific physical fitness abilities like speed, flexibility and coordination. In third phase, the player develops the tactics and strategies and tries to achieve every perfection for the competition. Now we move to next period, that is competition period. In this period, player participates in competition and aims to achieve top performance in competition. It can be divided into two phases. First phase, in this phase some practice matches are played where mistakes are corrected. In second phase, in this phase actual matches are played where motivation and feedback is provided for peak performance of player and sports person. So now we will move to third period, that is transitional period. It is also called recovery period. This is a relaxing period after competition. In this period, player recovers from competition stress and maintains physical abilities for the next competition. Initially, recreational activities are performed. Afterwards, similar types of activities are played along with recreational